Good morning, welcome to another video. So y'all, today is Wednesday, December 24th. It is Christmas Eve. Wow, it is Christmas Eve, and I made it my business to get my behind up out of that bed so I can go to Walmart. I went to Walmart the other day, I think that was Monday, but I didn't get everything that I needed because it was extremely crowded. It was so crowded, y'all. It was so crowded. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get up early in the morning. Not early, but early enough to try to beat the crowds. And hopefully a lot of people are traveling out of town today, so these stores ain't overly crowded, but you know, that's just not going to be the case. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are enjoying your time off. If you are off from work this week or today, I know I am. I don't go back until Monday. So, but yeah, I hope that you guys are going to be spending time with your loved ones. If you're going to be spending time alone, then, you know, make the best of it. Don't think anything negative that you're spending time by yourself, because, you know, you are loved regardless if you're spending time by yourself or even with family members. So I am, like I said, headed to a few stores today, and I'll start cooking later. So I'm going to bring you guys inside a few of the stores. I know I need to stop in, like I said, Walmart and probably Burlington, and then a few other stores after that, because I'm still doing a little Christmas shopping. So that is it. I'll be back home this afternoon. So I wanted to get the vlog started because this will be my last Vlogmas video that I post. And I'm just like, wow, I can't believe I did not miss not one day. I did every other day of Vlogmas, and I dedicated myself to doing Vlogmas. And I didn't miss. And I'm so proud of myself. I am super proud of myself, because it just shows determination. It shows that I can do whatever it is I want to do if I put my mind to it. I will be doing a prayer board, so that's soon to come. I'm excited about my prayer board. I haven't done one of those in a while. Ooh, let me fix this. Yeah, I think the last, it wasn't really a prayer board, it was a vision board. And the last time I did one of those, we were still living in our apartment before we moved. I don't think I have any pictures of the vision board, but I'll see if I can get like a small clip of the vision board I made a few years ago. But that's neither here nor there. I'm going to be making a prayer board. And so, of course, I will be sharing it here on my channel, so stay tuned. But let me go so I can focus on this traffic, because it is kind of busy right now, although it is still a work week or a work day. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I had to take a quick break to get me some breakfast. So went to Chick-fil-A and I got the 4-count chicken minis, and then I got a hash brown, small hash brown, and some orange juice. So I'm getting ready to eat my breakfast and head inside Walmart. I'm already here. Hopefully it's not too busy. And y'all, because the last time I went to Walmart, it was so many people coughing and sneezing, I got me some face masks just in case. That's going in my purse. So, I'm not playing with these people out in these stores. I'm not. So make sure when you go in these stores, you either take you some face masks, get you some Lysol and some hand sanitizer, or get you some of these hand wipes, because we touching stuff constantly in stores. Antibacterial hand wipes. Got them out of Walmart. Because, baby, one thing I'm not going to do is get sick. I rebuke that. Yes, I said I rebuke it. Yep, so I'm going to eat my breakfast really quick and head inside Walmart. And we are doing really, really good. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey, y'all. So it is hours later, and I'm home, and I've been cooking my greens. So they are done. Finally, they cooked for about maybe an hour and a half to 2 on low. So I'm just going to taste them in a few minutes, and then I'm getting ready to make some potato salad. And that'll be it for tonight. And then tomorrow we'll cook our ham and the mac and cheese, and that's it. So tomorrow for Christmas dinner, we'll have ham with mac and cheese, collard greens, and potato salad. We don't have any dessert. Well, we do have some sugar cookies that we can bake and some ice cream. So I guess that'll be our dessert. But we don't have like any cakes or pies for Christmas. But we did have that for Thanksgiving. We did have a vanilla pound cake that one of my coworkers made, which was really, really good. So yeah, we are going to be going out in a little bit to look at some Christmas lights. So as soon as I get done with my potato salad, we're going to head out. It is 6:11, but let me show you my collard greens really quick. I didn't cook a big pot of them. Now for Thanksgiving, I cooked a big pot of greens. Like, it was full to the top. But these I only did probably half. And I wish I would have did a little bit more, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. So, but I'm getting ready to taste them, but I just wanted to show you really quick. All right, so here is my greens. They look delicious. I use smoked neck bones to add the flavor for the meat. And yeah, so this is my pot of collard greens. And like I said, I only did like a half a pot, but it's definitely going to be enough for both me and my husband for at least 2 days. My son, he's probably not going to eat any. But yeah, so like I said, this is done. We just turned the burner off. So I'm going to taste them in a few minutes just to see if they need more seasoning. And then I'll move on to my potato salad. Okay, so I need to add a little bit more seasoning to it, a little bit more salt. I think just a little bit more salt, and that's it. So I'm gonna add my salt, and then I'm gonna move on to my potato salad.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
y'all, so we are back home and it was a good time. We had so much fun looking at all of the houses, so nicely decorated. It was just so pretty. This subdivision outdo themselves every single year, and it is just so much fun to watch and drive in this huge, it is a huge subdivision. And you see kids hanging from the sunroofs of cars to get a good look at these houses. It was so much fun, and we have been doing this for probably three years. I think we've been in our home for 5 years, and I think out of the five, we discovered it 3 years ago. And one year my mother-in-law came for Christmas and she went with us. So yeah, we love going out there every year for Christmas. So, but what I'm getting ready to do is get my husband's stuff put together. He is downstairs, getting our son's stuff put together. And so one of the items that I did get him for Christmas, because he loves smoothies, and so I got him this. He loves smoothies. So I'm sure he'll be happy to see this. But I have a few more things that I need to put together for him. I have some things that I'm going to put in my son's stocking. And y'all remember those 3 little stockings I got from Hobby Lobby? Well, yeah, they went back because you couldn't put nothing in it. And then they were like different sizes. So I just got this from Dollar Tree, $1.25. But yeah, so. And then I got these boxes from Dollar Tree. It's 2 gift boxes. This one says Merry Christmas, and then this one says Joy to the World. And of course, my husband's items will go in here. And these are the perfect size for what he has. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to start putting his stuff together. It is 9:45 p.m. on this beautiful Christmas Eve night. I hope that you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. I am just kind of sad that this is the last Vlogmas Day video that I'm making. I did so good. I did not miss one day of posting for Vlogmas. I did every other day because I refuse to do every day for Vlogmas. That's just doing too much. I'm sorry. When we first discovered Vlogmas, yeah, people were like, oh yeah, I can do Vlogmas every day. Post a video every day. It ain't happening like that no more. People are trying to post 25 consecutive videos for Vlogmas, and it's just not happening. So for me, I said I'll do every other day to just kind of give myself a little break in between. But I am just so proud of myself that I accomplished posting every other day. I did not miss one video. And I am just super proud of myself because I do work full time. I have a child, and I'm married, and I have a life outside of YouTube. So I'm just very proud of myself that I actually did it. So I'm going to pat myself on the back because doing Vlogmas is not easy when you got a 9 to 5, you married, you got children, and you got a life outside of this whole YouTube social media thing. So I am super proud of myself. But I'm not going to hold y'all because I know that y'all got things to do. I know that when y'all see this video, it's going to be on Christmas Day. So I hope that you guys have a happy and a blessed Merry Christmas. Please enjoy the time with your family, your friends, your loved ones. And if you are spending Christmas alone, please know that you are deeply and truly loved. And I hope that by you watching Vlogmas videos or just videos here on YouTube, that you do not feel alone. So I hope that you guys enjoyed Vlogmas. I will be back to posting next week, probably next week, Wednesday, just to give myself some time to relax and rest from vlogging, editing, and uploading every other day. So, yeah, I'm going to work on editing this video, and this video will be uploaded tomorrow on Christmas Day. So that is all that I have. I'm not going to keep this video any longer than it should be. This video is going to be shorter, much shorter than all my other Vlogmas videos. And that's to be expected because this is the last one. I'm trying to hurry wrap this thing on up. Okay. So once again, I hope you guys have a blessed and Merry Christmas. And I hope that you guys got everything that you asked or wanted for Christmas. And yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in to Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, I did it. I did it. Pat myself on the back again because listen, super proud of myself. But yeah, so Merry Christmas to you all. I hope that you enjoy your day with your family and your friends. I hope you eat good. I hope that you are so happy about everything that you got for Christmas. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas. Mwah.
Ooh.